welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and we are going to make the best, the most amazing blueberry muffins today. So join me while we whip this together. I want to thank you so much for being here. For those of you that are subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me as I have been so crazy busy and in and out of this, but I want to thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And those of you that are new today, take a look and see what you see. And if you see something you love, please smash that like button, subscribe down below. But let's get making these amazing blueberry muffins. We are going to start with making a simple crumble for on top of these delicious muffins. So all of the ingredients will be listed down below and all of the measurements, and this makes 12 muffins. Now we're going to start making our dry ingredients. The typical suspects will be in this: salt, flour, baking soda, baking powder. We're going to whisk that all together and set it aside. Now we're going to work on our wet ingredients. And these again are the usual suspects, except you're going to see sour cream come in here, and I'm going to use low-fat sour cream, and that makes these so moist, so delicious, and very easy to make. 1 egg, whisk this together. We're going to add it to our dry ingredients, and then of course this wouldn't be a blueberry muffin if we didn't add fresh blueberries. So I'm going to lightly fold these in and try not to break them up. And as soon as this is all mixed together, we're going to have our oven preheated at 400 degrees. Now there's a sneaky situation that's going to happen here. Once we get all our muffins in, we're going to bake it only for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Quickly lower our temperature to 375 and bake them for 13 minutes. That crumble on top really turns out super nice on these. These are absolutely the best blueberry muffins I have ever had. And just like that, they are out of the oven, and I'm going to break them open and let you see them.